Okay, the brain is covered by the meninges, split into 3 layers. The dura mater, which is the strongest layer on the outside. Underneath that is the arachnoid matter, which looks like spider webs. And the pia mater, which is very soft and covers every part of the brain and goes into all of these different sulci. This is the cerebrum of the brain. This right here is the cerebellum. Okay? When you look inside of the brain, this lump right here is called the pons, and this lump right below it would be the medulla oblongata. This is the spinal cord coming off. The spinal cord is connected to the different ventricles within the brain. You would have the lateral ventricles on the side, and that central ventricle would be right here. The olfactory bulb and nerve are right at the front top of the brain. Then you have the mammillary bodies. When you think mammillary, like mammillary, are these 2 little bumps right in there. That's the mammillary bodies. Then you have the hypothalamus, which is this space right here. Above the hypothalamus is the thalamus, but you don't need to know that. This is the hypothalamus. The pituitary gland hangs right here, which would be inside of the sella turcica. Then you have the optic nerve, that's right here. This is the optic nerve. And the pineal gland is in the back of the brain, right here. This is the corpus callosum, isn't it? No, this is the corpus callosum. This right here is the corpus callosum. This space in the center is the septum pellucidum. The front of the corpus callosum is called the genu, and the back of the corpus callosum is called the splenius. Then there's this little bump below the pineal gland right here, which is the superior colliculus. The arbor vitae is this stalk, and arbor vitae means tree of life, and you can see that it actually kind of looks like the tree of life. And then you have the longitudinal cerebral fissure, and that's longitudinal, and this would be the frontal and lateral fissures. Frontal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, parietal lobe, and that's the brain.